Are you frustrated with your LG Ultrawide monitor flickering? Well, you're in the right place. Flickering screens can be incredibly annoying, affecting your productivity and overall viewing experience. But fear not, we're here to help you solve this issue with some easy-to-follow steps. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix LG Ultrawide monitor flickering with simple troubleshooting tips to restore that smooth, crisp display you love. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, ensure that all cables are securely connected. Loose or damaged HDMI, DisplayPort, or power cables can cause flickering issues. Try unplugging and replugging all the cables to make sure they're connected properly. If the problem persists, consider replacing the cables as they might be worn out. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can often lead to flickering problems. To fix this, head over to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver for your specific model. Once downloaded, install the driver and restart your computer to see if the flickering stops. Step 3. Adjust refresh rate. Your monitor's refresh rate might be a culprit causing flickering issues. Check your current settings by going to Display Settings on your computer. Ensure your refresh rate matches the specifications of your LG Ultrawide monitor, often ranging around 60 Hz or higher. Adjusting this to the correct rate can significantly reduce. Step 4. Disable power-saving features. Power-saving features can sometimes interfere with monitor performance. Navigate to your computer's power settings and make sure that any power-saving modes are disabled, especially those affecting your display. Disabling these can often stabilize your monitor's performance, reducing flickering. Step 5. Examine external factors. Lastly, external electronic devices can cause interference, leading to a flickering display. Ensure that no electronic device, such as a phone or speaker, is placed too close to your monitor or its cables. Try repositioning your setup to see if this resolves the issue. Fixing LG Ultrawide monitor flickering might seem daunting, but with these clear steps, you're bound to find a solution that works. Start with checking your connections and work your way through updating drivers and adjusting settings. Should the problem persist, don't hesitate to reach out to LG support or consider professional repair services. Rest assured your monitor will soon be back to its beautiful, uninterrupted display, enhancing both your work and entertainment experience. Remember, patience and precise action are key to conquering flickering woes. Enjoy your revitalized viewing sessions.